Welcome to our channel. Kraken deposit errors and platform issues can be frustrating, but these solutions will help you resolve common problems. Step 1. Check Kraken's status page at status.kraken.com to see if there are any ongoing system issues or scheduled maintenance. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies if using the web version, or force close and reopen the mobile app. Step 3. Verify your internet connection is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Step 4. Ensure you're using the correct deposit address and network for the cryptocurrency you're depositing, as using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Step 5. Check that you've completed all required verification levels for your account, as deposit limits increase with higher verification tiers. Step 6. Update the Kraken app to the latest version if using mobile, or try a different browser if using the website. Step 7. Review your deposit transaction on the Blockchain Explorer to confirm it has sufficient confirmations before contacting support. Step 8. Reach out to Kraken support through their help center if the problem persists, providing transaction details and screenshots of any error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.